Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off lock screen password. Guys, you want to off your lock screen pattern means guys you want to off your lock screen pattern, so guys, you can off it. In this video guys, I will show you how can you off your lock screen pattern in your Oppo K10 5G phone. So let's see guys how to off it. So first of all guys, you will have to come your phone setting app. So guys, we will click here, then guys scroll it, and guys then you will have to come on this password and security setting. Click here, lock screen password, click, draw your pattern guys, and guys you can see turn off password. So guys draw unlock pattern. So guys same you will have to draw your old pattern. Then guys you can see lock screen password as off, means guys you can see in our Oppo phone guys there is no any pattern you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to off pattern in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. If you want guys, please go and like or subscribe my channel. Bye.